Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Statistical error. Error in the science of statistics does not mean mistake. The error does not imply an arithmetic miscalculation but arise simply because in collecting data with complete coverage is impracticable. Types of statistical error. Error of origin. Errors which arise in the collection of data are known as errors of origin. The errors due to defective definition of the subject matter of the investigation, defective questionnaire, carelessness of enumerators, etc. come under this category. Error in inadequacy. Errors which arise due to incomplete data or due to smallness of the sample selected are called errors of inadequacy. Errors of manipulation. The error which arise while analyzing and explaining the statistical data are called errors of manipulation. For example, clerical errors, arithmetical slips, etc. Mostly these errors occur while counting, measuring and classifying data. Misuse of averages, percentages, etc. may also result in such errors. In the process of analysis, if proper care is taken, errors of manipulations can be decreased considerably. Biased errors. The statistical errors which tend to be in the same direction are said to be biased. Biased errors arise due to the bias of the informants, bias of the investigator, defect of measuring instruments, defective selection of the sample, bias in interpretation of the results, etc. Unbiased errors. Statistical errors which arise in the normal course of investigation are called unbiased errors. Such errors may arise accidentally without any bias or prejudice. These errors tend to offset or cancel each other and leave nominal effects on the general results. These errors are also termed compensating errors, accidental errors or random errors. Sampling errors. The errors in the sampling investigation which are due to sample are called sampling errors. In a sample investigation, only a small part of the population is studied and hence the results are bound to differ from the census results having a certain amount of error. Such error is known as sampling error. The term sampling error is used only in case of a simple investigation and has no significance in case of census method. Sampling errors are also called sampling fluctuations. Non-sampling errors. The errors that arise in a sample investigation not because of sampling but also appear in a census investigation are called as non-sampling errors. These errors may be clamped as response error, prestige error, non-response error, publication errors, etc. Non-sampling errors include biases and mistakes. Non-sampling errors may occur at any stage of planning and execution of the investigation, that is sample or census. These errors increase with the increase in the number of items. In sample investigation, the non-sampling errors may arise for defective frame, faulty choice of sampling units, wrong use of sampling techniques, etc. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.